FM.
All that matters to you in Southern California.
Coming up, rape trial of an actor and a Scientologist is underway in L.A. I'm Bob Grill with that story.
I'm Craig Figner. L.A. City Council member Paul Kerkorian is now L.A. City Council president.
LA County officials approve a multi-million-dollar settlement over the death of a young boy. I'm Brian Ping. These stories plus traffic every 10 minutes on the 5s. Coming up, this is KNX News. It's midnight.
This is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance.
I'm Christopher Cruz in Washington. Some parts of Michigan have gotten as much as 18 inches of snow, and in some areas the snow is still falling.
Parts of Michigan's Upper Peninsula were hit with a pounding of heavy snow, along with winds gusting up to 55 miles an hour, leading to thousands of power outages.
Those areas received about 12 inches of snow.
The last early snow this time of year in Negaunee Township outside Marquette was 1.5 inches in 2020.
WWJ radio reporter Sandra McNeil. Weeks before the midterms, President Biden is telling voters that Democrats will protect a woman's right to an abortion.
First bill that I will send to the Congress will be to
codify Roe v. Wade.
3 fucking tolls have to pay.
And when Congress passes it, I'll sign it in January, 50 years after Roe was first decided the law of the land.
Police body cam footage shows officers in Tampa, Florida, arresting several people accused of voter fraud. The people being arrested claim they didn't know they weren't allowed to vote. More from CBS's Ed O'Keefe.
Why would y'all let me vote if I wasn't able to vote?
I'm not sure, buddy. I don't know.
And that confusion is exactly what voting experts say shouldn't have been allowed in the first place.
If you are going to hold this high bar and say it's against the law, make it so that the person is notified from the outset. Don't allow them to go through the system and then after the fact go, gotcha.
A warning about hair straighteners.
The researchers note uterine cancer is a relatively rare cancer, and the link between hair straighteners and cancer isn't as strong as that between smoking, say, and lung cancer. At the same time, uterine cancer is the most common form of gynecological cancer in the U.S.
CBS's Vicki Barker. In the American League Division Series, the New York Yankees beat the Cleveland Guardians 5-1 in Game 5. More from CBS's Steve Futterman.
The Yankees controlled the contest pretty much the entire game, led by this.
Drive to right center field, back near the wall, and gone!
The call on TBS, a 3-run home run in the first inning by Giancarlo Stanton, gave New York a 3-0 lead. The Yankees would never trail.
The Yanks will now face the Astros in the American League Championship Series. The death toll from flooding in Nigeria this year has now reached 603. Hundreds of thousands of people are being evacuated from submerged homes, and more than 1.3 million people have been displaced. People in 33 of Nigeria's 36 states have been affected. This year's floods, the worst in more than a decade, they're being blamed on the release of excess water from a dam and on unusually heavy rainfalls. This is CBS News.
Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
Here at Total Wine and More, you'll love what you find this Halloween.
Thirsty.
Oh, hey, Frankenstein. Did you enjoy that Cabernet?
Good. What margarita?
Well, all the villagers are raving about this tequila.
Ooh.
And we have it at the lowest price.
Economical.
Find what you love what you find, with the totally lowest prices for Halloween. Only at Total Wine and More. Drink responsibly, B21.
Dad, I don't feel good.
I'll grab the Vicks Dayquil Kids Honey.
Isn't Dayquil just for parents?
Actually, Vicks Dayquil Kids Honey is just for kids, specially designed to treat kids' most bothersome cold symptoms quickly with a honeylicious tasting flavor kids like.
You know what else kids like?
Dayquil Kids Honey first, then video games.
Deal.
Vicks Dayquil Kids Honey. The kids' honeylicious daytime coughing, congestion, stuffy head, stuffy nose medicine. Safe for ages 6+.
During this National School Bus Safety Week, we have some information for parents. 17,000 children are hospitalized because of school bus accidents each year. In the last 10 years, at least 64 children have died getting on and off the bus. The biggest risk is the area surrounding a stopped bus. CBS's Meg Oliver looks at how the Bethlehem, Pennsylvania School District is dealing with the issue.
120 buses are mounted with cameras recording every violator's license plate. Videos are forwarded to police to issue a $300 fine. The times that it is right now, people are
aggressive, less patient.
In neighboring Allentown, during a 47-day study in 2019, cameras on 2 buses recorded 205 illegal stop arm violations. Nationwide, school buses are passed illegally more than 17 million times a year.
Tuesday, another positive day on Wall Street. Futures now all in the green. Christopher Cruz, CBS News.
This is KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The people you know.
The voices you trust.
At 12:05, good morning, I'm Bob Brill. An LA jury begins hearing the rape case against Danny Masterson, the actor. And the scandal-plagued LA City Council has a new leader. Those stories in 90 seconds, but first. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5s. Good morning, Tanya Campos.
Good morning. We're going to start in the San Fernando Valley where Caltrans has some lanes closed. Looks like they just added another on that westbound 101 from Haskell to Reseda. You've now got the 3 left lanes closed. And you might see a couple of cars that crashed on the westbound 101 right about Havenhurst. They have moved into that closure, so I think they're waiting for a tow truck. Sherman Oaks northbound 405 transition to the north 101 is currently closed. Pretty smooth drive on the south 405 into West LA through the Sepulveda Pass. We do have some slowing downtown. That westbound 10 transition to the southbound 110 is currently shut down. There was an earlier big rig crash on the 91 East. It was blocking the Bellflower off-ramp for quite some time, and it damaged the guardrail. So it looks like that truck has been cleared, but they're waiting on Caltrans crews. They're going to close some lanes down so they can repair the guardrail that was damaged earlier. Next report at 12:15 from the Irvine Auto Center, 24-hour traffic center.
Mostly clear skies, warmer temperatures, and light winds. That's pretty much the forecast. We're looking at overnight lows in the 60s, highs today at the beaches should be in the 80s, 90s in the valleys, and the basin in the 80s and 90s as well. Orange County inland areas in the 90s, and Orange County coastal communities will be in the 80s. Fontana now at 69 degrees, Corona at 73, in Orange at 66, and now 72 in Sherman Oaks at 12:07. The rape trial of a TV actor is underway with opening statements in an LA courtroom. Prosecutors told jurors he is confident the evidence will show that 70s show actor Danny Masterson is guilty of raping 3 fellow Scientology members at his Hollywood Hills home 2 decades ago. The defense contends the women ignored a request from police not to speak to each other or potential witnesses about their allegations. Masterson, a longtime Scientologist, is accused of rape by force or fear. The church's practices we brought up along with the alleged criminal acts. Prosecutors told the jury that 2 of the 3 women informed church ethics officers about what had happened, but they were discouraged from reporting their rape allegations. One of the church officers reportedly told one victim never to use the word rape again. At least 2 of the women claimed the actor performed sex acts on them while they were asleep. Here's a new Los Angeles City Council President, Craig Figgener, reports from City Hall.
After well over 3 hours of public comment, LA City Council members wasted no time in selecting a new council president. The vote unanimous for Paul Krikorian.
This is, needless to say, one of the most challenging times our city has ever faced.
And Krikorian, as council president, took on the controversy that has rocked the council.
We will continue to move forward as we have, overwhelmingly calling for the resignations. We will move forward on my motion for censure, but we cannot wait to continue to do the business of Los Angeles. The people of Los Angeles can't wait for us to act on housing, on homelessness, on public safety.
Unclear if the upcoming meetings will be in person or virtual. At LA City Hall, Craig Figgener, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Some of the LA City Council racism crisis seems largely detached from the mayoral race. Our Charles Feldman says it may be because the candidates are both outsiders in a way.
Neither Karen Bass nor Rick Caruso are associated with the inner workings of city government.
Rick had some appointments in the past, but not for a number of years. Karen has never been a City Hall player.
Bill Carrick is a longtime Democratic political strategist here in L.A.
So they don't really have any standing in this officially.
Does the City Council scandal better serve either mayoral candidate's ambitions? Some analysts insist it's hard to say. Charles Feldman, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Los Angeles supervisors approve a $32 million settlement of a lawsuit. Our Margaret Carrero says it's over the death of a 10-year-old Lancaster boy.
The suit was brought by relatives of Anthony Avalos, who died in 2018 after he was allegedly tortured and abused for years by his mother and her boyfriend. It accused the county and multiple social workers of failing to properly respond to reports of abuses of the boy and his half-sibling.